Hey guys, good to see you again. Now last time we drew an outdoors picture, things we'd see in the outdoors. And now in that same picture, we're gonna color it. So I'm gonna take yellow and draw the sun. Those lines we drew last time, we're gonna color them yellow like sun rays and shade in the sun there in the top corner yellow, because it's pretty bright. Next I'll grab green. I'm gonna put that on the trees. Pine tree, oak tree. Remember, you guys could use different colors too. I'm gonna shade them in like a lighter green. What color do I want next? Brown. I'm gonna put brown on the trunks, the bottom of the trees. That looks pretty good. Now shade in the mountains with a dark gray, a light black. But mountains are kind of brown too, brown, grayish, because it's all dirt and rocks. You guys could use different colors here. I use a little dark gray and shade it in with a little brown. Look at like rocks and dirt. And I'll leave that white at the top and make it look like snow. I colored the bottom green again. Make it look like grass, maybe some bushes by the bottom of the tree. Next I want to color in those birds. I'm going to grab a different color, one we haven't used yet. Oh, this one's really stuck in there. I'm going to go red. Just go over the red marker we used to color the birds, just like so. Well, I hope your picture turned out just like this one. I bet it did. See you next time, guys.